Today I will be sharing 5 methods on how you can make money online from the comfort of your home. If that interests you, keep watching. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. For those new here, please do subscribe. Typically I discuss topics like making money online as an African and worldwide, growing wealth, investing and achieving financial independence. If that sounds like your cup of tea, hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on similar content. Also, a thumbs up will be appreciated as it helps YouTube to recommend my videos even when notifications are missed. These 5 methods that I'm going to mention are just the general ones, but if you want a deep dive into these methods, do let me know in the comments below. The first method I use to make money online is through platforms that offer surveys, watching videos, playing games, and completing simple tasks. While these platforms don't promise a lot of money, they still pay you some money, and it will be convenient if you have a PayPal account or a dollar account. However, I understand some countries face challenges with PayPal. If you are unable to open a PayPal account, consider asking a friend or a family member abroad or any other country that has PayPal to open one for you. If you still can't open a PayPal account, you can explore alternatives like Payeer, Pioneer, Payza, and others, though I haven't personally tried those. Moving on to virtual jobs. This entails taking on remote tasks such as tutoring, transcription, virtual assistance, or editing. I actually used to be a transcriber on a website called castingwords.com, and this is the website I will always recommend if you're a total beginner that doesn't know how to transcribe. If you want a video on transcription, do let me know in the comment section below. Casting Words is available worldwide and it's a total beginner friendly. The other methods, for example tutoring and virtual assistance, you can find opportunities by reaching out to potential clients or exploring freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and others. The next method is dollar arbitrage. This is a method you can do if you are already working and have some money in your savings. Also, do remember I'm not a financial advisor, and this method is just something that worked for me. With this method, it involves buying dollars when the exchange rate is low and selling them when it is high. While this can be profitable, it is essential to understand the risk and the fluctuations in currency exchange rates. The next method is investing in cryptocurrencies and stocks. Cryptocurrency investments can be volatile and risky, but potentially rewarding, while investing in stocks, particularly US stocks, can offer long-term growth and dividends. So if you already have some money in the savings, I will advise you to put it in some stocks first of all. If you have more, then into cryptocurrency. The last method is social media. You can use social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and others to make money online. The best method and the easiest method is by showing your face, because brands can still reach out to you even if you don't have a big following. You can also sell your own products through social media. And that's it. Those are the 5 general methods on how you can make money online worldwide. If you want a deep dive into these methods, please comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know what topics you would like to see next.